He stood up on his own, mommy. See, mommy? He can stand up now already on his own when he can hold on something. Pero he still can sit down. Shuhada.
Hindi, marunong nag-umpisa na siya umupo.
He's starting to sit na.
Super magupo.
And he moves too much. Kanina, see, the bed, kanina it was fixed. You know naman, nanay. Now, look, it's like a typhoon passed.
Tingnan mo, pag magupo siya. Ano mo naman yan?
Just
Sabihin
look
mo
at...
kaninang umaga, nagbinampun ni nanay sa ilalim ng lamesa. Kaninang madaling araw.
Kanina, 4 o'clock, nanay picked up the under there.
Hindi.
Under there, ilawom dito. Oh.
Table.
Okay naman na.
Ano naman kayo salita yung under there?
Sa ilawom lagyan to.
Sa badara
Doon, pinulot na ni nanay doon. Si
Hindi
Dick.
mo, nagising ako alas 4, wala sa tabi ni nanay, wala na sa ilalim na ng lamesa. Tingnan mo.
Nanay woke up 4 o'clock and she was curious why Dee is not on his side. And when she looked, Dee is already under the table. Over there, oh.
Curious niya.
Look what he's doing. Ano, bebe? Ha? Ano? Come, bebe! Come na? Come up. Come up, be. Come up. You can stand up na, diba? Come na. Come na. Come na. Ah. Sige, stand. Come up na, sige na. Ay. Sige na. Stand up na. He's standing now already. See? He's standing now already, ah? He can stand na. Very good. Very good, ba? Ang galing-galing naman yung baby ko. Nanay saying this, very malikot. Like a Jude. Wala. Sige. Wala.